Hi friends, this is Luca. I'm standing in front of one of the 7 wonders of the world. This building is well recognized all over the world and well, it's the Taj Mahal that was built 450 years old, no, 450 years ago by the king just as a tribute for his wife. I think that what is really fascinating is about the process of building this wonderful piece of architecture, because well, it was designed by the same creator of other interesting building in India, and the execution of the project is only 22 years. It took only 22 years. Well, of course, they use a lot of labor because more than 20,000 workers were employed for this project. But they optimize a lot because there is what really fascinated to me is that all the building is specular. So if you take a look on all the sides are the same, and also if you take a closer look, there are so many details that are repetitive. How they achieve this result? Well, they use like a building blocks and all the same size, so somehow it's like a factory. So they create a pipeline to create each single artifact, and then they assemble all together to create this piece of wonder. In the same way, in the modern world, especially in the cloud-native application that we use nowadays, that are the wonderful tool that we connect each other, we're using the technology, we use some building blocks very recognized. I'm thinking about how the cloud computing is shaping our future, how we jump on the top of the shoulder of tools that we already created, and how we take benefit of this. In this way, our cloud-native application can be built and can shine. And most of the time, we use the same assembly tool that was designed by somebody else, and we, as a humankind, we stand on the shoulder of the others. I think we can. This is a very nice building, and what is fascinating is about the connection between the past and the future, and we should be very proud. Also, for me, it's very important because I'm here for the New Delhi World Book Fair, and it was a great opportunity to connect with all of you guys from India and learn a lot about the stories and making new connections and tasting amazing food. So I'm really proud to be here, and especially standing in front of one of the main landmarks. So guys, stay tuned, because I think that we can learn a lot from this type of approach and we can apply it to the modern software development. Thank you so much, and let's automate more. Bye.